What's up, guys, and welcome back to Book of Entertainment. So, something completely unbelievable has been revealed at the Madlanga Commission, and it is a screenshot of a message that was sent by Vusumuzi Matlala to Brown Mohotsi, and this message was showing that Bheki had interfered in the arrest of the Sindiso Magaqa killers. So, Vusumuzi Matlala in this message, he was saying he received information regarding the PKTT, that one of the former investigators of the task team was about to arrest the police officers, who were implicated in the killing of Sindiso Magaqa. So, this is what Vusumuzi Matlala is revealing here, that one of the police officers who were responsible in the killing of Sindiso Magaqa was about to be arrested. Now, Vusumuzi Matlala got this information from a former investigator in the PKTT. Now, Vusumuzi Matlala went on to reveal that, that all reports that were held by Bheki were retrieved and were handed over to Senzo Mchunu. So, people interpreting this message, they are saying Bheki is guilty here, based off of this message here, guilty as alleged. But reading this message again, you can see that maybe Bheki himself, might have been innocent here, because he was holding the reports then they were taken away from him and were sent to Senzo Mchunu. So this is like maybe the dockets issue, the dockets being taken away from General Mkhwanazi and being handed to Senzo Mchunu. This is what most likely might have happened here. But you never know, people are interpreting and saying Bheki is guilty. But my interpretation, is seeing that this guy is most likely innocent. I'll catch you guys on the next one.